Welcome to 12 Faces for 12 Sectors, a series spotlighting the leaders driving industrial innovation and excellence across the UAE. Make It in the Emirates 2025 is hosted by the Ministry of Industry and Advanced Technology and organized for the first time by ADNEC Group at ADNEC Center Abu Dhabi. We're speaking with pioneers from each sector to hear how the platform has fueled industry growth, strengthened partnerships, and opened new opportunities for the future. Joining me now to represent the Metals and Fabrications sector is Vinay Kalantri, Director of PipeTec Solutions Manufacturing. Thanks for being here today.
Thank you for having me.
What does Make It in the Emirates mean to you and to your company's mission in the UAE?
So Make It in the Emirates has been a very big part of our journey in the UAE. It has helped us in getting a lot of our government permissions cleared very fast, getting the plant up and running much faster than what we expected. And it has also helped us in getting access to all our clients and a much faster inroad, and also helping us set up the complete infrastructure much faster in the country. At the same time, it has also been a part of our journey to obviously be a part of the Make It in the Emirates and create jobs within the country, localize it, so the imports are not there. And we have worked very strongly with the government on that. And the government has supported us very well on that.
So it is really a very impactful event. Tell us about PipeTec's contributions to the pipeline infrastructure sector, both in the UAE and globally.
So PipeTec Solutions is a proud company to have set up its base in the UAE. PipeTec is setting up its first ever plant in UAE. We are going to be the pioneers in hot induction bends for 80-inch in dia, 18 meters in length, and we will be able to do complete thickness bends worth going to 60 mm in thickness. So it's going to be the first ever plant in the GCC to set up with this kind of heavy structure. So we will be the only plant in GCC which is going to be able to bend pipes which are going to be at 80 inches in diameter and 18 inches in length.
Tell us then how PipeTec is leveraging innovation and partnerships or government incentives to really enhance its local manufacturing.
So PipeTec has got a lot of support from ADIO, a lot of support from the Ministry of Industry, from the Ministry of Economy. They all have been very, very supportive, very, very accessible for us to actually be a part of the industrial move in the country. And at the same time, we have done a lot of work on the innovation side. We are adapting Smart Industry 4.0. We are also working on a lot of machine learning and AI. The right team is what we're trying to build. We want to build a lean but a frugal team. And what this is helping us in is reducing the team that we use for blue collared and increasing the team that we use, which is more engineering and more of the skilled labor, as we call it.
What's the process to achieve this?
So we have started working on a lot of robotics being used within the organization. We are using a lot of AI, machine learning, so a lot of predictive maintenance is happening on the machines. We're using a lot of green sustainable energy. So we're using solar panels. We are going to be converting, first time ever in the industry, which is what we are in, we will be converting the steam and the humidity that we generate into drinking water. So we have tied up for that as well. And that will be one of the first innovations that we've done, which no one else in the hot induction bending industry has done around the world. Then we are also working on a lot with advanced technology, which is for predictive maintenance related to our machines. We're using a lot of technology to reduce manpower usability for the same access. So if in India or any other country that we use 50 to 60 people for same kind of a business, we're trying to reduce it by 50%.
And this massive government support that you mentioned earlier, to what extent has that really driven your operations and facilitated ease of doing business for you?
It has actually facilitated in ease of doing business in a lot of ways, which I explained before as well, where they have given us access to our customers much faster. They've given us a lot of permissions and a lot of, I can call it the fast track process to actually expedite our plant to be running up and running much faster.
Well, wish you continued success. Thanks for
Thank
being
you
here.
very much, and thank you very much for having us here. And we look forward to a great event as well.
Likewise.
Same. Thank you so much.